What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith, back with another live stream. Today is January 5th, 2026. It's Monday. We're finna get into these markets, stocks and futures. And yeah, y'all know before we get started though, what do we have to do? We gotta get our prayer in. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Alright, bow your heads. Alright. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you. Thank you for another day. Thank you for allowing us to just be able to be here on earth, to be in your presence, Lord, to be able to speak to you once again. Thank you for the family, the loved ones we got that made it to the new year, and the ones that passed and we made memories with. We just want to thank you for those moments. We ask that we continue to make new moments and memories with the loved ones we got here, Lord, and we really appreciate them. They appreciate spending time with family and loved ones. Dear Lord, we also want to come to you just ask for forgiveness of any sins that we've done, seen or unseen, knowingly and unknowingly, Lord. Um, we also ask that we get out of our own ways. We don't just necessarily try to do things our way. We allow you to take control of the situation, and we let your will and your way be done, Lord. If you want us to wait on something or want us to take our time, I ask you to give us the patience and the discipline to wait on you, Lord, not to try to take things in our own control. But today, as we get on these charts, we ask for your strength, your guidance, and your healing. No matter if we win, lose, or draw, is that we learn something and continue to grow and get better. And continue to give you the glory and praise no matter what. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, here we go. On the charts. On the chart. First week in 2026. Here we go. Ooh-wee. First week, man. That's crazy. Looking at the charts, man, pretty much, looking at M and Q. Let's delete this line. Looking at M and Q, what we said last night, we said pretty much if the Bulls want to get in control, they want to see an uptrend forming on a lower time frame, potentially pushing into this gap. Well, clearly we're inside the gap. We're inside the gap already, actually pushing above this gap. So, for the Bulls, if you want to be bullish, honestly, you want to just follow the lower time frame trend. You would like to see an uptrend form above here to take it to the top of the gap. I don't necessarily know if we're gonna do all that today. We can, but it'll be a huge green candle though. But um, I think we might see some pullback, then try to push back up. I mean, but it's always a chance. We could just go straight up there. Looking at the hourly, let's drop down to the hourly. Of course, the uptrend is full effect. We said it last night. We was like, hey, soon the market make an uptrend for the bulls. Pretty much just ride the uptrend and keep sitting behind the solidified levels. Well, if you sit behind the solidified level, you're still in. When it made this new solidified level, you're still in. When it made this new solidified level, you're still in. So you still be in this trade if you got in last night in them longs and set behind your solidified level. So currently, us who aren't into the trade right now, we gotta wait on a pullback. Okay, we gotta wait on a pullback in order to get in. Um, like I said, maybe we get a drop underneath the gap. Maybe come retest the bottom of this gap and see if we can push up. Or we might just only drop it to the inside of this gap and push right back up. We just gotta see. We gotta see. We do got this big hourly gap sitting right here. I'm not gonna mark it out because it just I don't like having this big zone. You know what? I might actually mark it. Let's see. I'll just put a line up there so we'll know if we can build structure above. But if it builds structure, make an uptrend up here, we'd like to get in then. Or like we said, if it come back to the bottom of this daily gap right here, we can get back in or even come down here for the bulls. For the shorts, honestly, either you want to break, retest, and then drop to the bottom of the gap, you can take the shorts down there. Or when it break out of here, break, retest, go down to this last low. Okay? So that's literally what we're looking for today. Kinda gotta be patient though. Honestly, we gotta kinda be patient today. At least at the start. Where is my color change? Oh, right here. Trying to change it to orange. All right. Looking at SPY for all our stock people. Um, like we said, once it crossed this high here, that would have been number 3. That's where you enter. But of course, stocks we couldn't get in. Is we can't get in until 8:30 come. So we did miss all of this. That sucks. We did miss all of this because we wanted to get in soon and cross this high, and we was gonna set our stop where at this low down here, but it did it in the pre-market, so we missed most of the trade, but it's okay, it's fine. Where can we still get in? We did make a new higher low, so we got higher low here, and I'm on the hourly if you want to know. I'm on the hourly. We got high low there, we got higher low here. Okay. We potentially can be looking to get in longs if we can build an uptrend above here, okay, and take it up to this high. If we come take this high, then we need an uptrend to form above that high. If we come take that high over here to the left, then we need an uptrend to form above that. So, that's all we look for. We really look for a base to build inside this daily gap. Look at this daily. We gapping back up inside the gap. Like I said, I think we might get a slight pullback, then go higher. I mean, it's always a chance. We can just push straight up though. If we push straight up, I kind of don't like the trades. Then let me go look at my Walmart because I know Walmart getting ready. It's getting ready. I might have to get Walmart out to open. Honestly, it's 8:30. Y'all give me a second. Y'all say what up if y'all in here. Say what up to your boy. Say what up to your boy. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. 116. Let's go to the daily real quick first. We'll come back to Walmart. We'll come back to Walmart. I want to give it some time. We're just gonna set some alerts. All right, let's go back to M&Q real quick. See what we doing. Set this tab over here if I can. I can put Walmart on this one. All right, that's what we was expecting, that pullback. Like I said, for the shorts, y'all want to see that downtrend form underneath that daily gap. For the longs, we pretty much wanted to stay inside the gap. So And let me check the news real quick. Give me a second. I think news already came out. I want to say. Oh no, we got 9 a.m. PMI. We might have to wait till that come out first, y'all. Might just have to wait till that come out. Might have to wait till that PMI come out before we get into something. All right, them shorts coming in. Yeah. And you really didn't have no entry yet for the shorts though. Let's see, it's at MYM broke a level. Wow, MYM pushed up crazy. Go to that hourly. Hold up, it's lagging because where is my drawing? We're gonna wait a second. Drawing should be showing up. Where's the drawings at? Alright, there go the drawings. MYM pushing hard. That's crazy. Let's see. Hourly. Biggest thing we want to see MYM, we want to see it break this high first before we try to say go long. Because it can be pushing up hard and still drop, because it's still technically in that downtrend. It got the low, high, lower, low. This can just be a super, super far pullback. So we gotta see it break this high at 49,083. About the NQ. Like I said, we might have to wait till that 9 o'clock news first, then we probably have to get in. Like I said, we probably gotta be patient today, y'all. Probably gotta be pretty patient today. I'm thinking these shorts gonna come through, y'all. But like we said, we don't really. This might be a potential entry here, but the target right there. So we might get in one light. That's it. Cause literally, the first target right there. Might get in one light, and that's it. One light short, and that's it. Only if we come take this low though. Alright, I think NYM broke that high, y'all. NYM is saying we're trying to go up. Look at NYM. Broke that high, I believe. Ain't NYM strong. Alright. NYM might be trying to get ready to head to its all-time highs, y'all. Just took the high of that previous day. Now all we're trying to see, can we build base above here and stay above? If NYM can stay above this previous day high, we should be going to 49,291. I see we get a close above. We would like to see a higher low somewhere on here above it. So we're going to have our stop being all the way down there. So we got to close, but biggest thing I don't want to see is us just shoot straight up to the high. But if we do, it is what it is. But NYM is small enough that we can get in with one, and we could have a bigger stop loss just because NYM is smaller in size compared to MNQ. So we might do that. Only thing, I don't got it set up on my copy trader, so I gotta find it on copy trader. NYM. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Okay, we got a low. Okay, can we make a higher low up there? That's what I want to see. Make a higher low up there or not, or is we gonna close back below? Market being choppy right now. MNQ. But that what we was talking about. We said, hey, we can come take that low. We could got one light short, but the first target right there. So it's like it could just take it and come right back up. And that's literally what it did. It took it and came right back up. And we just gotta wait, man. We gotta wait. We gotta let this market get some room for some trades. Cause literally in this range here, not that much room for some trades unless you scalping. Now if we can break above, it's room up there. If we can break below the gap, it's room down here. Right now, it's just too choppy. But we got, like we said, we got 9 a.m. news coming out, PMI, so it probably gonna push us out one of these directions. Just gotta be patient. Look at CrowdStrike. Like CrowdStrike pushing up. Yeah. Let's go to that daily. Yeah, we couldn't. We can't get in them shorts until we get back below here. Not until we get back below 453. Right now, the Bulls in control. Not strong. Only way Bulls strong is once we get up here, build and go higher. That's it. Like the Bulls in control currently, but it's not strong control until we push above the high. Till we get up here. I mean above the gap. Then it's strong control. They're in control, but it ain't strong control yet. Everything pretty much like we said last night. We said if it gap up in here, we don't want to touch it. So we can't touch it. That's what we literally said last night. So can't touch it. Okay, what NYM doing? Oh my goodness, it's gone. NYM is gone. It just made it without us. Oh man. Oh man, we just missed it. Looking at the other charts. I mean, it is what it is, man. Can't get them all. See if it gives us another pullback or not. Might just go straight to the high. Like I said, NYM is smaller in size, so we could get in one and just play it like that. Because it is small in size. We're probably going to risk like $50. It's just, I kind of wish we had some red on the higher time frames. That's the only thing. This is the 1 minute, so no, not having red on the higher time frames, our stop loss on the higher time frame all the way down here, like that's crazy. Where the 1 minute, yeah, we can sit behind here, but it might break this and then go right back up. You know, that's the thing. This is where we were supposed to get in. This counter right here, though. It is what it is. I mean, we just couldn't get in the trading time. MNQ. Like MNQ trying to build back up, but like we said, we don't want to be inside this range. So we're going to leave that alone also. We're going to leave that one alone also. Really ain't got nothing to do right now, y'all. We just got to sit here and wait. Everything taking their time right now. So probably waiting on that 9 o'clock. Just gotta be patient, gotta be patient. 21. Yo, what up, Mel? My bad, I ain't even see the chat because I had Walmart on the other screen. They said I have echo on the mic. Oh, my bad, my bad. Maybe I need to turn it down. Let me see. Testing, testing, testing. Can you hear me now? Is it still echoing bad, Mel? Let me know. Let me know. Is it still echoing bad? Oh, that's probably what. My bad. I see why it's echoing. I see why it's echoing. Hello? Is it echoing now? It probably gone now. Let me see. Is it gone now? Because it said I had two mics on. I ain't even know. Tell me if it's echoing now, Mel. If you can. If you're still in here. I don't know if you're still in here. If you're still in here, Mel, let me know if it's still echoing on y'all end. Oh, he says the echo's still there, but not as bad. Dang, I don't know why. I know right earlier it said it was echoing. Oh, it's gone. Okay, okay. Cause I had two mics on. It said I had my computer mic and the dang headphone mic. I ain't even noticed. Appreciate it, man. Oh, this market choppy. Oh, then the video. Dang. Okay, yeah, the video coming down. Daily. What we say if the video come back down here, we want it. If it come back to 85. I think we said it. I don't remember. Okay, Tesla dropping. Oh no, I'm tripping. I'm thinking the crowd strike. He said I caught NYM. I think I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, that's nice, man. That's nice, man. That NYM started pushing, man. That NYM started pushing. My bad. Let me go back. That NYM started pushing. Let me go back to it. I got wrong account open. This gold pushing too. But yeah, NYM started running and it ain't come back. Was you looking at NYM at the start? Or did you get in after? You know. I'm gonna definitely start running though. Hold up, MNQ look like it's trying to push. Let's see. We're gonna break out. Did you get in at the start, Mel? He said, yep, when you was like, I think NYM took that high, I already was in. That boy said, he had jumped in soon we took that high. Yeah, cause that's a you can take that impulse. It just broke the downtrend, so it should have some momentum to keep pushing up. That's what's up. That was up. He said I was looking at MNQ, then I switched over to NYM and caught that upswing. That was nice then. Yeah, but once it broke this high, you could, like we said, you could have caught some of that momentum to the upside. Um, I'm just waiting on structure to form above it. That's all. That's all. NYM looks a little bit. If as long as we can build structure above them highs that we took, it look good for them longs. Now we close back below them highs, then we gotta wait on it to come back up, you know. But it definitely took the highs though. That's a good thing. It did take the highs, so now we know the Bulls are fully back in control on NYM after taking that lower high. It's just, hey, can we close past to continue to go up to that higher high? So that we really need to see what the daily count is gonna close like for NYM. But yeah, if I'm you, either either go and take your bread and chill for the day, or just go light on all your other trades. So like you said, you up 260. I just know I won't risk no more than $60 for the day. Like once I lose $60, I'm closing it for $200 on the day. If I'm you, that's kind of how I look to trade it. If I'm you, take my money and go. Especially when we potentially could be shopping for a little bit. Or I at least wait till after that 9 a.m. news. That 9 a.m. news probably gonna make her choose a direction. So if I'm you, I probably wait on that 9 a.m. news and then call it. See, we was waiting on the base to build up here. It pushed straight up. Maybe on 5 minute it gave it to us. Yeah, 5 minute gave it to us in the pre-market. But once the market opened, it was already up there at the target. So couldn't really catch SPY either. Market, we had to wait till the market opened. It was already at the target. So a lot of this stuff did most of its movement in the pre-market. So at this point, we just gotta wait on better interest. He said, let me see. He said I might enter a small spot, but it gotta be a good entry. Yeah, I hear you. You want to keep as much money as you can, especially when you're trying to pass some combine. You trying to limit the amount of days it's gonna take to pass. We go to the hourly because we do got 4 minutes for the hourly. Looking at spot hourly, we did make a higher high. We want to see if we close above 686.87. He said, yes, sir. I'm not overtrading. I feel you on that. We want to see, can we close above this orange line for SPY? And then all we're looking for is an uptrend form above. And we would be looking for it to retest this high. Well, like we said, that's just, only thing is just not that much room. I like trades with a lot of room. That's the thing. I like trades with a lot of room to, to get in my trade. Yes, I can take it to the top of the gap. We can be right, but do I really want to trade something that I'm only getting $1.50 move on? That's the thing. Then the stop loss had to be all the way down there. That's just, to me, it's not a beautiful trade to get in. Let's go look at that Walmart again. Where Walmart at? Right here. Walmart coming down. Coming down. Gonna give it some time though. As long as it's closed green, we made that new higher high. I think we might be coming back to retest the high again. If this hour can close green. Especially if we can start making an uptrend on the 5 minute. But like we said, we really ain't got nothing. We gotta wait. We really gotta wait. See what this 9 o'clock news is gonna end up doing for us. Dang, why this drawing so far out? Oh, probably because I put it on the daily or something. That's probably why it's so far out. Just waiting, man. Just waiting on some good setups. I do think CrowdStrike potentially can come up to 462. It look like he's trying to set up for that 462. But it's just once it get here, would it actually build above, or will it just reject and come back down? That's what we're trying to figure out. Come back to MNQs. Just chopping. Literally just chopping. I go to check out NYM because that mug. Okay, NYM look like it's trying to set up a base above, y'all. We might see no all-time highs today if it builds its base above. We might just see this NYM today. No, CrowdStrike is options, Mel. That's options. Those are stocks. On the stream, I be doing stocks and futures. I know I don't do stocks as much. I said I'm gonna start incorporating stocks a little bit more. It's just usually the stocks once you get in, you just holding it until you get to your target. So I don't have to check them charts as much. We just only got to check it for our entries. Where futures, we actually get in and out a lot. So that's why y'all will see me on the futures a little bit more than the stocks. Because you got to kind of watch the futures a little bit more. But nah, CrowdStrike is we're gonna get in a light long one contract if it break this high. CrowdStrike is stocks though. Let me see. Like we about to try to take this high. What time frame is on? 1 minute. Okay. So I'm on a 5 minute. So we're gonna set by we gotta take that high though. I ain't gonna set the stop yet, cause if if I set the stop now and it come down, it's gonna put me in shorts if it go down first. Which might not be bad though. If it do come down, make that low shorts could be. It's just this dang gap right here. It can bounce right back up. Oh man, we waiting though. We're waiting. Oh, that 9 a.m. news. Oh, there. I just thought about that. This is sell. Let me go to the left, make sure there ain't no other highs targets. Cause if it is, it can literally keep us from going to the all-time highs. Let's see, is there any high targets over here? Once we take that high. Dang, it is one high target right here. Let me put a line there. And it did enter us in. Come on, let me put a line here. Draw a line. We kind of want to see what it does when it get up there. Alright, let's go back to the side. We ain't going heavy on NYM just because I don't really like taking this trade this close to them all-time highs. So that's why we're going extreme light. And I want to go look at MNQ real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm finna check out MNQ. See what that 9 o'clock candle close is. I want to see what that 9 o'clock candle close there. It closed green. Okay, it closed green, so higher high. Could get in, stop loss be here. Aim for that high. Let's see. I just don't like being trapped in two gaps. That's the thing. I just don't like being trapped in two gaps. What's that ratio? Pretty much a 1-to-1. Ugh. I just don't like sitting in them gaps. Yeah, I don't like it, so I ain't gonna get in it, y'all. I ain't gonna get it. I just don't like it. Alright, let's go back to that NYM trade. NYM. Let's see when it gets to that first target, what it's gonna do. Is it gonna break through and go to the all-time highs? Or is it gonna reject when it get there? I need to set an alert when it get there. That's what I need to do. Set an alert. So I won't have to watch it. Cause I want to go look at these other stocks real quick. CrowdStrike hit 462. That's what we was talking about. Now is it gonna build base above here? We finna start building base above. But my phone vibrating on every little thing. got green, green, green. This is gonna give us that first red counter. 20 seconds. See, this is gonna be the first red counter. If it is up, push back up. I was trying to see if that's gonna be the first red counter or not. Come on, CrowdStrike, what you gonna do, man? Alright, it's still pushing up. Still pushing up. It didn't give us that red counter. It's still going up. Probably gonna take this high, possibly. Probably gonna take this high over here at 465. Let's look at that daily on CrowdStrike real quick because we might have to be getting ready to look for this pullback for these long stop loss. The last lower high was up here. That red. So yeah, it look like it's just doing a potential pullback. Cause like we said, it can get all the way up to here at 489 potentially. Just today ain't the best day for these trades, man. That's all it is. Probably gotta just wait till the end of the day and get in tomorrow. That's probably what we gotta do. Cause like we said, most of the trades happened in the pre-market. So now it's like, it's putting you at big risk, you know? Cause like, look, we opened up here, but your stop loss would be all the way down at 454. So you got $6 stop loss when you got, you know, gaps and stuff right here that you can reverse and come back down on. So it's literally putting you at risk. That's why I don't like it. Like them trades, cause it's putting us at risk to having a huge drop, and then we going against what the overall trend, which is downtrend. So I just don't like that. I just don't like that. Don't like that at all. Again in longs. Not until I got that daily close above this gap. Then we retest, make a higher high. Then I'll be looking for longs. But I personally don't like that. We still trying to wait on that Walmart. Check out Walmart. Nvidia coming down. Well, I see it's still at 190. It's still at 190. Still at 190. Walmart. Everything pretty much chilling. Let me see if that news came out. Y'all give me 1 second. Go to investing.com. See that PMI came out. Oh, let me pull up the chat too. I don't know if he was talking, man. My bad. Oh, nah, he ain't say no. Okay. Yeah, PMI came out. It was lower than expected on both, but it wasn't. It was 0.5 lower on manufacturing prices, and then on manufacturing PMI was what, about 0.4, 0.5, yeah, about 0.4 away. So that wasn't too bad. Go look at M&Q. Cause we really ain't getting nothing, man. We ain't getting nothing going on. So nothing going on, man. The loans coming through, finna retest that high like we said, but I just didn't like that entry. It's too choppy. But it do look like we finna retest this high here. So let's go to that hourly. We're trying to see if we can break out this hourly gap. That's the biggest thing. If we can't break out, we get a red candle, the market could dump pretty hard. So we failed. We failed to close past one time. See if we can get this close past here or not. That's what we're trying to see. We failed to close past one time. See if we can start building that base above and actually stay above this time. So we did close past. I think we're finna push up and try to take that high. We did close past though. That's a good thing. Did close past on the 1 minute. 5 minute. We closed past on the 5 minute too. So yeah, it's looking good to go long. We might get one long. Let's see. Let's see. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna check that NY. I forgot we almost forgot about the dang NYM. It's pulling back on us. We want to see a 5 minute green candle if we can, but it's definitely pulling back and dropping. You gotta wait it out. Wait it out. I need to bring stop loss up. It ain't on the actual level. See? It'd be kind of hard to do with this copy trader because I can't pinpoint them lines. I gotta like look at this screen, then look at that screen. Probably gonna get a flush right here. Come on, don't flush down. No matter what, we gonna keep that trade no matter what though. Dang, that crowd strike going now, y'all. Is that 464? See, it's starting to build that base above. Where the next hourly targets? We got a gap here. 470s. Definitely pushing above. Mark out this 15-minute gap. See if we close past it. We got 2 minutes for the 15. Two minutes for the 15. It did reject off that 15, so just gotta wait. See about that MNQ. MNQ having it's fighting. It's struggling to stay above this dang hourly gap, man. It's struggling to stay above. I mean, let's put hourly gap. So when I'm zoomed in, y'all know what I'm talking about. One hour gap. Struggling. Go look at Walmart. We ain't got nothing going on, man. Literally. Walmart look like this. What was gonna do? I got this alert set when it take a low. Go back and look at this MIM. See if it's pulling back. Okay, MIM coming back up again. Coming back up again. Now we flip green, take that high and bring stop up here. Alright. If we flip green, take that high, I'm bringing the stop up. Because like we said, very well can tap that and reverse. Okay, I see Walmart pushing up now. They go pushed up a little bit. I ain't push up that much. Dang, man, come on, man. We need some movement. These markets moving too slow. We ain't got nothing going on, man. Literally nothing going on. Market's moving extremely slow. We did get the green counter. We need this high to get taken though. Oh, we did touch the. Oh snap, yeah. I ain't know we touched. Hold on, I ain't know we touched the line. Let me see. 449 to 51. Let's see. Was that level? I think that was 49 to. No, it's 52. Might get that reverse. I ain't even know we touched that line. Well, we still gonna hold it. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Like we said, MIM a lot smaller stock, so we don't mind if we have to take a loss on it. I didn't know it touched that line already. Cause my alert didn't come off. But I guess my alert was a tad bit off. Okay, we still stayed above here. We need a green counter closer on this 5 minute. Like we finna get it. I'm on MNQ if y'all want to know. I'm on an MNQ. Man, can we get something? Only thing that's moving crazy is CrowdStrike, and we wasn't looking for no dang shorts on CrowdStrike. I mean longs. This the only thing that's moving, y'all. CrowdStrike. That mug going crazy. Literally. Straight up. What's that? 459. Man, that's almost $20 move to the other side. No, $10. My bad. $10 move. You got a 1 minute counter close, but okay. Might be trying to break that 15-minute gap. Don't really. We gotta see. Walmart ain't doing nothing. Walmart just sitting down here. Walmart might be waiting till tomorrow news. That's probably what Walmart trying to do. Wait till tomorrow news. Because Walmart ain't even moving. Tesla going up. Okay. Let's look at that daily on Tesla. Dang. Crazy push. I ain't gonna lie, we probably could have caught that Tesla because it gapped up, retested the gap. If it flipped to the uptrend, you're supposed to get in. Yeah, we probably could have caught that Tesla. Right here. Yep. Probably could have caught that Tesla. Yeah, we probably could have caught that Tesla. We just didn't look at it at the open. That's the thing. SPY moving up. SPY is at that top of the gap. It's at the top of the gap. Everything like slowly creeping up, man. It's just like real slow sneaking up. Everything just really slowly grinding up. Nothing too fast. It's just slowly moving up. And I don't like that. I don't like playing around when it's just slowly moving up. Then like we said, literally it's a gap at 88. So it's like, do I want to take a long right into another gap? That's the thing. Don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. Can't really do nothing, man. We just chilling. Just chilling. Cause we not gonna sit there and over leverage ourselves just to get a quick move. That's too risky. We don't trade like that. Alright, we is getting this higher high here though. I do like that to potentially go to this high. Let's see. Okay. Let's see where we have stopped. I told you I can't put my dang stop loss right when it comes to this copy trade thing. It be messing me up. Alright, and we added to that MYM. Let's go check that out. Okay. Okay, Walmart moving too. We might, let's see. Walmart at 50. I want to see Walmart get back up here to like 13s. That's what I want to see. Walmart get back to like 13s. Let's go back to that NYM though. Alright, look like, okay, it took our level. Let's go ahead and move stops up. Took our level. Let's move one stop there. Oh, wrong thing. Sell limit. Alright, we look like we're gonna take profit off one. And then we're gonna let the other one run. Alright. Took profit off of one. Alright, we took profit off of one. Gonna let this other one see if we can go to go take them highs. I don't know if we gonna take. I think we can take the highs, but I'm not too sure, man. I'm gonna be honest. Not too sure. Let's drop down to that 1 minute. And I know, and I know, and I know. No, not MYM. Wait, hold up. I thought we sold one. Why I say we in? I could sworn we sold one. We gotta bring stop up. I thought we sold one. I could sworn we just sold one, y'all. I guess we didn't. Or maybe it didn't hit and I pressed X. That's probably what I think. I think we didn't hit the sell stop and I pressed X on it. That was my fault. I thought we hit our stop loss. Dang. Well, hey, we still in that mode. And let's see. Let's go look at MNQ. We did add on the MNQ. We're gonna let that mug do what it do. See, let it go to target or not. Okay, now we in one. MYM. Okay, now we in one. So now I can set that there. It should be good. Come on, NYM, is you finna go to these highs or not? That's what we trying to figure out. Is you going to them highs or not? We want to know. He wants to know. I might bring stock to break. I ain't gonna bring it to break even. I'm just set it here. We ain't gotta set it to break even. We ain't gonna set it to break even. We're gonna leave it there. Come on, NYM, quit playing. Go on up, go on up. And NQ playing too. NQ keep dropping and going up, dropping and going up. Okay, NYM, you almost there, bro. Finish the job. Finish the job. Let's go look at our MNQ. We did add more. Okay, we up. Come on, both y'all need to go on up, man. Both of y'all need to go up. I think I'm gonna bring stop up to break even. I'm supposed to keep it down, but I think I want to bring it to break even. Cause it's taking too long, man. It's taking too long to get up there. Come on, bro. Go on up, bro. Yeah, like you don't want to move up. Let's go look at that MNQ. We pushing. See the MNQ? We up 172. NYM. Come on, go to target, NYM. Quit playing with me, NYM. I don't know why you want to play with me, NYM. There we go. 268 on MNQ. Nice. Nah, needed that. NYM, we out. Yeah, we out on NYM. Let me close that. MNQ is what we got left. 316. Okay, we hit all targets. Let me close. Exit, exit, exit. Exit. God dang. Hold up, it say we still in the NYM long? What the world? Oh, on one of my accounts. How the heck? Oh, I put 3. Let me sell that. They said we still in the NYM. I said, how I'm still up $40 on something? Let me close that NYM long. I was finna say. If that mother would have reversed, I would have been mad, boy. I would have been mad. But we caught 316 on the MNQs. And then I think we caught like 60 on NYM. So 420 for the day. Oh, what? Yeah, 420 for the day. No, I'm tripping. Dang, man, my brain. Come on, y'all. 360 plus 60. 420, yeah, it's 420. We 420 on the day. On copy trader. Y'all know what it is. On that copy trader. It might be it for us today. Take that 420, walk away. We is above the highs. It might be trying to be a base up here. It might be trying to be a base up here. Just gotta see, just gotta see. That's probably it for us today, though. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. Walmart still not moving. Man, still not moving. We need Walmart to get some momentum, man. I need some momentum to start coming. Crowd strike definitely pushed. I'm a little mad. We should have gotten crowd strike, but like we said, we didn't really was looking for long, so I can't be mad at that. We weren't looking for the long, so it is what it is. Man, that was a nice M and Q. We was just looking for the highs, took the high. Now it might be trying to come up here. We don't know. We don't know. You gotta see if it can build above this high right here, this hourly high. Then it might be trying to take the top of the gap. But hey, we made our money. 420 on the day. We playing light for the rest of the day. Mel, you still in here, man? We playing light for the rest of the day. We not risking nothing more than one contract at a time. Probably to the $20 of our 420, we gonna risk. Mel, you still in here though? I don't know if Mel in here. Mel probably call his a day and got off to his bread. Okay, Walmart, we getting some momentum. It's at 12.60. Okay, I mean 60 cents. Getting a little bit momentum from Walmart. I need Walmart to start pushing though. See, where's these hourly highs? We got hourly high here. Didn't build no base. Got hourly high here. Didn't build a base. Hourly high here. Didn't build a base. So all I want is just know when we close past these highs. Dang, where my I keep getting confused. I'm so used to these being up here. And they keep popping up at the bottom. Crossing up, close. Same thing here. Crossing up, close. We want to see base building above these highs before we can say, okay, the long's in control for Walmart. Cause y'all know I definitely like this Walmart for potential longs, man. You gotta get these bases building. That's the thing. Dang, do I want to keep trading, man? We up 420 on the day, bro. Come on, do we want to keep trading? Cause like I said, I can see us going up here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Let me go look at SPY. SPY at 488. So it's at that gap. At that, yeah. It's inside the gap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Hold up. Daily. Bro, we might be going up here sometime this week. Hold up, man. I think now I kind of am more confident that at least if it ain't today, tomorrow we're gonna touch 689. I'm a lot more confident in us getting up today. Okay. Okay. If it ain't today, tomorrow we definitely going to force 689. If it ain't today. Dang, I did not know we was inside the gap. Yeah, I guess that last push we just did pushed us inside the gap. Do we still keep pushing? That's the question. I want to know once we get up here, let me know. Because what we going to do when we get up here? That's the question. If we do it today. I don't know if we're going to do it today. Because we already pushed hard for the day, man. But it just keep pushing. Like I thought we pushed hard when we got up here. It's still going. Like, mm-hmm. And the thing is, we don't really got no other news for the rest of the day, so it's kind of crazy that it's pushing like that. Alright, it look like it's gonna make his first pullback. Let's see how is this pullback gonna make a lower low, or is we gonna keep going higher? That's what I'm trying to see. See what's gonna happen. No crossing down, not crossing up. I finna make that lower low. Let's see. We is in the pullback. Let's see what's finna happen. See what's finna happen. Is it finna cross that or not? Futures, y'all, if y'all here for the futures, we might be done with futures. We might just be looking at stocks for the rest of this time. Like we said, we made 420 on our copy trader with our accounts, so that's nice. That's pretty much all we was looking for. Alright, it's making that lower low. It's making that lower low. It's probably gonna come retest this now. Don't care about that. Oh man, what we finna do? What we finna do? Is we finna drop hard here? Or what we finna do? Is we finna drop back outside, or is we gonna still stay inside here? I think we coming down here to 688.20. It's just, is we gonna be able to stay inside it? That's the thing. I mean, we do got this gap to bounce off of though, so this could keep us from going down there if we can bounce off of here. But it'll have to make an uptrend off of it. A close inside it, I think we going down to the bottom of that gap, that daily gap. If we close inside. Let's see. Is it finna start making an uptrend off of this, or is it gonna come to retest this down here? And when it retests this, if it closes below, then yes, we coming to the bottom of this gap. Probably even come down to this daily fair value gap. Yeah, we dropping. Dropping. I think I'm gonna go and call it, y'all. If I get in some more trades, y'all know I will post it. I think we're gonna take our 420 and walk away for the day, man. That was a nice day. 420 on the day on futures. Options, we kind of gotta wait. But yeah, let's go ahead and call it. I think we finna come down. But y'all have a good one.